because of the state.
Yes, family, what's the word? What's the word? Good morning, y'all. It is CPI day today. Super excited to be here with you guys all as usual. And let's see what today's session brings for us. It is CPI day, guys. There's going to be a lot of news. Actually, just not a lot, but just major news, you could say. And we got to see how the markets react for sure. For sure, man. I would like to see disinflation. I would like to see it drop. Let me see where we're at, actually. Expectations for CPI. All right, so CPI expectations, family, year over year. Regular headline 3%, supposed to stay the same. Month over month, expected to see a drop from 2.2% to -0.1. Core month over month from 0.2 to 0.1. So the expectation right now is a drop in inflation. We did have a drop in inflation yesterday for PPI. We'll have to see if today's going to try to follow suit. We are about 3 minutes out. But man, good morning, y'all. Good morning, y'all. Hopefully you guys are all having a phenomenal freaking day today. I woke up blessed and grateful as usual. Excited to come here and dominate and see what the markets got prepared for us ultimately today. But we're about to have some early fireworks for sure. We're gonna have some early fireworks for sure. How are you guys feeling though, family? How you guys feeling today, man? You guys feeling good? You guys feeling good today? I should have started this a little bit earlier, but running a little behind today. Running just a tad bit behind. But we here. We live. And we gonna see what we get here. Take a quick look at the markets. Gold has seen a nice little run from London session back up to the highs here. Indices, man, bro, man, we're gonna talk about that in a few here. We're gonna talk about US 30 and her dirty ass. The US 30 violated us yesterday. Yeah, these things really didn't do much since yesterday's move to the upside. Just chilling now, waiting. We are about a minute out from CPI news. Again, we should see a pretty interesting reaction here, pretty strong reaction typically. If inflation does come out lower than expected, then I expect gold to probably start flying here. If CPI comes out higher than expected, right? If we come out higher than 3% year over year, or if we come out higher than, you know, the 0.1% or 0.2%, then it's gonna be, yeah, I think gold could probably fall here. But let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Yeah. I'm a little tired, y'all, so I might yawn a little bit, but what's going on, Julie? It's good to see you. Tyson, Bockley in the house. Mike, Austin, Jose, what's going on, family? A little sleepy word. I'm feeling sleepy too. Oh my God, news just came out and gold is flying, family. Let's see. Let's see what inflation come out as. Came out a little bit lower. Inflation year over year did drop a little bit. Okay. Hold on now. We had a little spike up on gold. Came right back down to earth though. A little bit of a spike up. Right, but again, CPI year over year did drop to 2.9%. We are officially in the 2% range for headline CPI, which is really, really good news. Core also dropped 3.2%. Month over month came out a little bit higher, actually, the month over month headline reports. But for the overall, year over year, definitely came out very good so far. Year over year came out exactly how we would want to see it. So I like that. I like that we came out this way. So I am liking possible continuations here. I would like to see gold and see how this continues to react. But so far, we're getting some very interesting data here, man. This is crazy, though. Look at this, right? This gold right here is falling. We got to see what this is going to do here. Indices is spiking, just whiplashing. Gold is actually dropping right now. Again, I would like to see higher gold, so we got to see how this plays out here now. How far this might want to drop, how far it might want to correct to, but there is a chance that it could just sell off completely as well. Right, because if we look at this, we actually had an increase month over month, but on year over year, we had drops, right? So it is kind of mixed a little bit, right? Month over month, an increase. Based off of previous, let me actually just check the other calendar real quick. Investing.com. So yeah, going from, so we actually had a month over month number actually month over month numbers increased, but year over year numbers dropped. Interesting. So it's kind of mixed. It's kind of mixed right now. We gotta see how this continues to play out. All right, it's kind of mixed right now, the news. Yeah, it's definitely a little mixed right now. Let's see. Gold took the highs. Gold did take the highs once again, though, and it is reacting. Interesting. Oh, yeah, gold is tanking. Gold is reacting hard off of that month over month report. What is Indices doing? Indices reversing too? Indices are starting to fall as well. Dollars increasing, I'm guessing. Yep, it is. Okay. Yeah, again, it did come out kind of mixed, guys, right? Month over month came out higher. Year over year came out lower. So yeah, these markets are definitely moving off of that for sure. Interesting stuff here. Interesting stuff here. I mean, at this point, we gotta let this just rock out. All right, gold is just selling off like crazy, right? I was actually looking at yeah, we gotta let this just rock out and see what happens here. What are we gonna do, gold? I'm really thinking, right? I don't know if I believe in this sell-off, but there is a possibility. Again, month over month did come out the way it came out. Right? This could possibly see a little bit lower here. Nas did. I mean, the markets are just whiplashing right now. Honestly, indices are just going back and forth. US 30 spiking up and down, Nasdaq spiking up and down. And this type of reaction, guys, is definitely expected, right? Based off of the release and how it came out a little mixed. We just gotta see what is actually gonna eventually come through. Like, what is actually gonna hold the most weight. And we're gonna have to see here. 1K day yesterday from YM. Sheesh. Let's go, Austin. I mean, family, how many of you guys were able to hold? How many of you guys were able to hold YM from yesterday if you guys took it with me? Remember, I got demolished yesterday. Right, I got absolutely demolished yesterday. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, right? But I also told y'all, you guys though, because this is what we were looking at yesterday. I was like, man, right as soon as we got off stream, I'm like, wow, watch this, right? Ended up closing back above the trigger line, and I'm like, man, this looks even better now. But I couldn't take it on this account that I'm with you guys. I'm trading with y'all because I already had lost too much, bro. I already had lost too much, but look at what YM did. Look at this dirty little animal, bro. And the thing that sucks about it the most is that it literally stopped me out by 1 point. Literally by 1 point, it stopped me out and ended up going for around 200-300. So YM was completely disappointing for me yesterday. I know some of you guys didn't get stopped out, so you guys should have been eating, absolutely eating off of that yesterday. So big shout out to y'all, man, that still trusted in, had a better stop loss than I did. Because you know what it was, family? After the session, right? I actually sat down, I was like, damn, all right, what the hell happened here today? And the second trade that we took, still for me, I got stopped out. It was a really good setup. It was just a bad stop loss placing on my behalf. Right? My stop loss was just in a bad spot. So I gotta take that L on the chin. It is what it is. But either way though, man, it is what it is. We back. Now we gotta see what these things are actually gonna do. Are these actually gonna continue to sell off? Or is the market going to eventually rebound, right? Because I don't know. I think the market could very well rebound here. I could be wrong, but I think there is a possibility for the market to rebound here for gold and indices. But let's see. Gold swept this little internal structure, filled this little imbalance. Now it's trying to push back up here. What we doing, gold? US 30, Nasdaq, what y'all doing? Let me see. Yeah, let's see. I'm looking at these stuff on a higher time frame real quick to see what we're looking at. I mean, we did have a nice little demand zone here on the 4 hour for gold that we tapped into. 4 hour demand that did sweep liquidity. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if gold does just go right back on up to the upside. I would not be surprised. Being honest with y'all. Yeah, look at gold. Look at gold. Gold just said, nope, watch this U-turn. Let's see. Let me see what you guys are feeling like today, family. Bangers for sure. I want to sell off on gold. I mean, you had the initial sell off. Another great day for a W, absolutely. I took a sell last night on EU. 4 hour RSI is over 70. Half out at 200 SMA. Okay, Lambo, let's go. What's the word, Dom? Good to see you in chat, my brother. Linda in the house. It's good to see you, Linda. JJ in the building. Good to see you, JJ. Shout out to you, family. Kyrie in the building. What's the word? Sandro in the building. What's the word? In-goal buys off the dip. It's not a bad play, man. We got Ram in the building. Got my first payout yesterday. Let's go. Let's go, Ram. W's in the chat for Ram. Young DeMarco. Young DeMarco. Let's go, Ram. Come on now. I love to see it, man. I love to see it. Let's go. Yeah, let's see what we continue to get here, family. Because now, again, this thing did come all the way back up, essentially. Let's see. Talk to me nice, Goldilocks. What we doing? Talk to me nice. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Again, we did have some mixed data though, family. Keep that in mind. All right, month over months came out a little bit higher, but year over years did drop. So it is a little mixed here, fam. Go ahead and smash that like button as well for your boy, please. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. Let's see, where Jose at? Word. Where is Mr. Jose, man? Shout out to Mike in the building. I see you. Lewis in the house. What's the word, Lewis? I want to add more position on gold, but need to pull back. Still hold it from 2 weeks ago. Sheesh. King City not playing games. He said, I'm still holding from 2 weeks ago. Golly. Come on, man. What's with my mouse? I feel like my mouse is not mousing right now. I feel like my mouse is not mousing right now. Alright, what we about to do now, Gold? How you really feel? How do you really feel, Gold? You close back above the range, back above structure. How you really feel right now? Are you gonna flip up and start driving higher? Talk to me nice. What we feeling? How are we feeling? Talk to me nice. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see, how we feeling, Gold? How we feeling? Yo, what's good with my mouse? Is it about to die or something? Over here tweaking, mouse. You over here tweaking, mouse. What we think gold about to do, family? What we think gold about to do? We think gold is still gonna drop, or we think gold gonna start to rise here? What we thinking? Help me out here, family. What we thinking? What we thinking with gold? What we thinking will go, family? What we thinking will go? Let's see, 60 points secure. Let's go, Sandro. Let's go. What's going on, Aaron? Good to see you in the chat, my brother. TP hit this morning for 100 pips at 4 a.m. on the Dixie sell. Let's go, man. Shout out to you guys that are absolutely crushing it. Young DeMarco. Going DeMarco. Let's see, how was the run? I mean, my body is on fire, boy. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, my thighs, I took a little bit off, honestly. Last week, I ain't really run too much last week, to be honest with y'all. I can't lie to y'all. I can lie to everybody else, but I can't lie to y'all. All right, last week I took a couple days off. I came back this week and my thighs, boy, woo, feeling it. But we still here. We still here though. Let's see, my brother George in the building. What's the word, George? Hopefully you're doing phenomenal today. Let's see, I'm looking for some dollar strength off this release. You want some dollar strength? So you want this strength to continue that we just experienced so far? You want that strength to go? Okay. I mean, it's possible. It's always possible. Right? Especially with the type of mixed data that we just got. It's possible. I wouldn't be surprised neither if we just see a lot of just straight whiplashing back and forth. I wouldn't be surprised by that neither, to be honest with y'all. But we gotta continue to wait and see what happens here. Let's see, Sando thinks we're gonna buy, gonna rise. Go just hit a POY to go down to the downside for at least 50. CPI is on fire. I mean, the markets are definitely shaky right now. It's just a lot of whiplashing though, a lot of sideways, a lot of just up and down. These type of market conditions, man, are a little bit, especially when it's choppy like this. You gotta be careful. Let's see, take that time off, let those muscles rest. Word. I think I took too much time off last week though. Like not running for like 3-4 days. It's catching up. I was not catching up, but today I definitely felt it. Or not today, the other day I definitely felt it. All right, indices spiked down. NASDAQ spiked down and now it's flipping back to the upside. The S&P as well. US 30, it's trying to catch up. What's gold doing? Gold is trying its best as well to make a move here. We just gotta see which way gold wants to go. Again, I'm not in no rush to try to jump into anything. I gotta be very selective. Because you know what sucks, guys, with going on a losing streak, especially with trading these prop firms? It's like you don't got that much wiggle room to go, boy. I'm on a 3-trade losing streak right now, and these are some hefty losses too. Like, don't get it twisted, right? These are some hefty losses that are eating up my trailing threshold. Let me see how much trailing threshold I got here real quick. Right, and this is again just something I want y'all to be aware of, family, when you guys are trading these prop firms, man. Yesterday was, I ain't continue to trade yesterday because I just couldn't afford another loss in case it happened. But like, yeah, I don't got much of a trailing threshold to play with. I think I got like $1,100 to play with as like my max drawdown. So if I lose $1,100, this account is gone, even if we're still in profit, because that's how the trailing threshold works, right? That shit always moves. So we got to be aware of these things. I gotta lower my risk, right? I gotta lower my risk on this account that we've been trading, and really take optimal trades. Be very, very, very precise with the opportunities and precise with my entries. No cap. That's the thing that sucks, family, right? That's what I would give the Forex prop firms, a little bit of a, it's not an edge, right? I would prefer these futures firms over any Forex prop firm any day of the week, right? Just when you compare the price, the ease of passing, all that good stuff. But when you deal with Apex specifically, that trailing threshold, bro, if you go on a losing streak, you're going to blow that account. These 3 trades that I just lost, that's like almost $1,500 worth of losses right there in the past 3 trades, right? The past 2 weeks, right? This one was from last week, and these 2 were from yesterday. So I only got like $1,100 left. So we gotta be careful now. We gotta be careful. Let's see, I'm less than $100 away from blowing 20, 50Ks. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man. It's tough. Like all it takes, and that's why I think these future prop firms, especially like Apex, is even though their accounts are so cheap, like that drawdown, man, that trailing drawdown boy is a killer. No cap. That trailing drawdown is a killer, bro. All it takes is for you to just go through a little losing streak, man, and you blow those accounts so easy. And it's not uncommon to go through losing streaks, right? Just like how we going through winning streaks, we go through losing streaks, right? It's a part of the game. But that's why we have to realize how much we got left. I only got like $1,100 left in my trailing max drawdown. We have to lower the risk, and we got to slowly build our way back up. That's just how it works. You know, so it is what it is. It is what it is. All right, but let's see what we got here. Gold is still actually falling right now. Gold is still falling. Let's see what gold actually ends up doing down here. Indices, I'm pretty sure probably is going to be very choppy as well. At least up into the open. Yeah, a lot of whiplash, bro. These type of markets are definitely annoying to trade. There's a lot of sideways right now. A lot of sideways. A lot of sideways right now. Let's see what we get here. Let's see what we get here. Let's see what we get here. Gold, what you about to do? You about to push right back on off of this support? What you about to do, Gold? What we about to do, Gold? What we doing here? You are testing a daily demand. Actually, a 4-hour demand. You are testing this 4-hour demand zone. You are testing this 4-hour demand zone right here. How we feeling? How we feeling on this 4-hour demand zone, Gold? Talk to me nice, man. Boom, 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 boom. Let's be patient here, family. Let's be patient here. No need to rush this. Ain't no need to rush this just because the markets is going a little crazy because of the news. Let's actually make sure we get real confirmation. Let's see what we got here. I should be okay if I pull out 1K when my cow is at 57K. I mean, yeah, you should still have. I mean, you'll be super solid, Kyrie. Absolutely, right? If you again a 50K account and you have 7K worth of buffer, absolutely, bro. You definitely want to take out at least 1,000. Shoot, if you can get 7K worth of buffer, bro, I would take out 2K. I'll take out the max, right? If you can get a 7K buffer, right? Take out the 2,000 that they allow you. Absolutely, don't leave it in there. Right, because you're still able to leave now a 5K buffer, right? Again, you only lose your account if your account gets back below 50,100. 50,100, right? If your account gets below 50,100, then you lose the account, right? So you can still take out that 2K and still have technically a 5K buffer, you could say, right? To continue to trade on for the next pay period. So I would take out the 2K completely. Like, I ain't gonna just take out 1K. Nah, take out the 2K. And then another 10 days, continue to trade and take out another 2K. Absolutely. Let's see. I opened up 10 contracts on buy stops and sell stops at CPI data release, but my sell stops didn't trigger. That's tough. That's tough. 2 schools of thought: lower risk, more caution on entry. Absolutely. All in risk on one trade, super cautious entry. All in risk on one trade. Yeah, that is. I like your thought process, Mike, right? Because that's really what you could do, right? You could be just lower your risk and trade super conservative, or you could just wait for that A+ setup and just risk the whole drawdown, right? To try to pass real quick, right? I don't think I'm going to take the second. I'm going to take the first one just because I've been trading this account completely conservative as it is, which is why we've been trading it now for over a month. It's because I really want to pass this one actually using proper risk management, not trying to be as much of a degenerate. I have taken a couple degenerate trades. Yesterday, I would say was one of them. The first trade was a degenerate trade. The second one was a really good setup. I just had a bad stop loss on it. So I want to make sure I do that right now. Again, whatever happens with this account, whether we pass or fail, whenever we do our next account, that one I am going to be a lot more aggressive on. I'm letting y'all know right now. I'm going to be a lot more aggressive with those ones. But I already made myself committed to, passing this one while following proper risk, not doing too much. And just really trying to help you guys create the right habits. So we're going to see what's up with it. All right, prep the reset. Yeah, that's so funny. That's facts, bro. Let's see, gotta adjust that risk to that you have left. Absolutely. Definitely get you some glutamine for your recovery after your runs. I'm gonna have to look into glutamine. I'm gonna have to look into that for sure, bro. Cause age is catching up, man. Like I'm not super old, boy, but now that I'm in my 30s, yeah, the recovery process is a little bit tougher. Let me see. Glutamine is the most abundant amino acid found in the body. Yeah, I'm gonna have to invest into some shit like that, boy. I mean, if any of you guys' family are, if you guys are, good with well, I want to make sure this is right. Oh, this ain't even updated. Hold on, family. I'm about to say, like, my current balance is not that right now. Let me make the adjustment. Yeah, this is my current balance. We're only at $500 worth of profit now in this account, which is tough. That's tough. It's tough. So glutamine. I'm gonna look into that. I'm gonna look into that glutamine. Let's see. My titties hurt from working out. Yeah. What's the word, Drew? My brother in the building. What's the word? Let's see. Daquan in the house. What's going on? Max in the building. What's the word? Max, always good to see you, bro. Because you just started. That's what it is. Honestly, I ain't just start. I've been running now consistent. I mean, last week I definitely slacked last week. I took like 3-4 days off last week, but I've been running as consistent as I've been in years. But taking those 3-4 days off, those 5 days off, boy, they just catch up a lot quicker now. No cap. It just catch up a lot quicker. All right, let's see what Gold's doing here. Gold is still bouncing off this support now. We're going to see if this got a hold or not. Like, what you about to do here, Gold? Talk to me nice. Let's see. Glutamine is great. Yeah, I'm going to have to get the glutamine. I'm putting all my profit into crypto. That's the best play. I Ben gave you the supplements. Take it from me. I'm 30, dropping 30. Yo, Drew, text me those supplements again, Drew. Text me whatever it is that you take, bro. I'll probably go grab some of that shit today. Dead serious. Oh, man. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see what we get. David Monetier got some good health products. A part of his company, Envision U. Envision U got. I know they had the sprays. I didn't know Envision U had Like actual health products. Envision, how you spell this shit? Envision U. That's Envision Y. Envision U. Skin and beauty products. 30 mixed shots. Yeah, that's interesting. What city you live in? I live in Raleigh. Raleigh, North Carolina. I'm a southern boy now. You heard me? Raleigh, North Carolina. We from Raleigh, North Carolina. At least not where I'm from, but that's where I'm currently stationed. Let's see. Morning fam. ETH USD sales looking good. Don't tell me that. I hate when crypto looks like sales. They do look a little bit like they might start falling, but I hate when crypto looks like sales. That's not good. I need these to catch up. Come on, Solana. Come on, Solana. Come on, Solana. Talk to me nice, Solana. What we doing here, bud? Abel, how can I send you a link on 50, 60, 70% off on top quality supplements I take? I have a $9 a month membership that gives you access. Okay, George, that's what I'm talking about. Sure, let me see. I mean, you can send me it via any social media platform. Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, Twitter, whatever it is that you follow me on, just let me know and I'll just double check. Because if I'm not following, I don't follow, I mean, I haven't added friends on Facebook, right? So if you guys are messaging me on Facebook, you're gonna have to like really let me know so I can check, so I can actually check like the spam messages, because a lot of the messages be going straight to the spam. Let me actually check. Yeah, my brother George is in here. I'm gonna message you right now, George. I'm on Facebook, bro. See, you was over here in the spam set. How they violate you like that, George? How dare they put you in the spam folder? My brother. How dare they? That's what I'm saying. I gotta like always constantly check my other messages. No cap, because they be violating. Let's see, sea moss, which gives the body 92 minerals of the 103 it needs. Is that why everybody takes sea moss? I knew sea moss was good, but I didn't know exactly why everybody always. I knew it had a lot of nutrients. I didn't know it had damn near 80-90% of the ones you need. Let's see, you're the first person I met and know from Raleigh. Let's get it. I'll take that title. Hey, I'm over here standing up for the triangle over here, man. Standing up for the triangle. Let's get it. All right, my guy Drew over here sent me mad shit. Let me see. He sent me some Irish sea moss capsules, Maju's black seed oil capsules, high potency shilajit. I don't even know what that is. Shilajit liquid drop. Damn, Drew, you done send me. You sent me your whole arsenal of supplies, huh? He said this shit nasty as shit, but highly effective. Might have 2 more kids, but not my problem. Yeah. Bro. You're hilarious, bro. Let's see, I take that shit every day, make it myself and make juice with it. You talking about sea moss? Where do you make juice with sea moss? Let's see, I'm from NC too. Yeah, shout out to Omar, man. Omar, what part of NC you at? I think you actually might not be too far from me, Omar. You have to do research and find a good sea moss. A lot aren't real quality. I agree with that. That's the thing. I don't know any of this stuff, bro. Like, y'all gotta get me right. Y'all gotta get me right, man. That's one thing my wife always yells at me. Is like, yo, you gotta start taking your health more serious. She stay yelling at me this shit. I'm pretty sure she gonna yell at me today. Like, make sure you're taking yourself serious. You're getting older now. So I might have to start investing in some of them supplements for sure. For sure. Let's see, Drew, let us get the list. We need the help. I'm gonna put you guys on. I'm gonna put you guys on. I'm gonna send you guys. I'm gonna put the stuff that Drew sent me in the chat. I'm gonna send it right now. So this is the first. Again, we're still watching these markets, family. Don't get it twisted, right? I'm still watching this. Again, I think at this point, markets probably just gonna be super choppy into the open. So I want to see what the indices do on the open here. I mean, YM did close bullish here on the 15. But we gotta see how this stuff plays out here on the open for sure. Gold, I'm still watching, man. I still want to see what gold ends up doing here, but I wonder if this 4-hour demand zone is actually going to produce an opportunity to the upside. I mean, we've obviously had some shakes, but we got to see what we get here for sure. See, Moringa is good too, but nasty as hell. I never even heard of Moringa neither. Hold on, we're gonna have to create an Amazon shopping cart real quick. You said Moringa? What the hell is Moringa? Moringa leaf powder. Oh hell nah. I don't know. I mean, let me get what the recommendations for my brother Drew are. Irish sea moss capsules. Irish sea moss capsules. Come on, get the moringa out of here. All right, so first recommendation of the day is this one right here, the overall pick here. Yeah, this is the exact one that I was sent. That's the first pick of the day. Second pick of the day, Maju's black seed oil. This is the second pick of the day, Maju black seed oil. Okay, this is coming from my doctor, Dr. Pilgrim. This is all coming from my doctor, Dr. Pilgrim. And then the Shilajit for men. Shilajit. That sounds such a crazy name. Shilajit. Let me see. Shilajit. Here. Himalayan organic. I want the exact bottles you sent me, bro. Shilajit liquid drops. Shilajit. Yo, Drew, does it matter which one I get? Oh, okay, I found the one I found the one you sent me. Okay, here we go. All right, so from my doctor, Dr. Drew Pilgrim, these are the 3 recommendations we got here, family. Some Irish sea moss, some cold pressed black seed oil, and then some Shilajit organic liquid supplements. Yeah. Oh, how did this go from a trading podcast or a trading thing into a supplement channel? It's crazy. Drop that on the Discord. I got y'all. Again, these are recommendations from my specific doctor. I can't tell you guys what to take. I highly encourage you guys to look up your doctor's recommendations. But we gonna send it. I do got a doctor. It's Dr. Andrew Pilgrim. You know who that is? You know who Mr. Dr. Andrew Pilgrim? He's a very established doctor. On the internet? He went to the School of Hard Knocks and graduated top of his class. He graduated with his doctorates in about a year and a half. All right, I just sent it in the chat, family, in the Discord. There's going to be in the off-topic discussion section. The off-topic discussion section of the Discord. Again, I apologize, but if you guys are not in the VIP, you will not be able to see it. But those of you guys that are in the VIP, there you go. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna look into those as soon as we're done with stream for sure. And once I get whatever George sends me too, if he doesn't mind, I'll give you guys that too for sure. Let's see. Did she start throwing out the snacks? Hell nah, because we got kids. You try to hide them from me. I'm going to find them, but I don't even eat snacks as much as I used to. I was trying to eat Doritos the other night, and I love Doritos. I was trying to eat some Doritos the other night. I couldn't even, like, I don't know. I took like a couple chips and just, I think I'm starting to outgrow snacks finally. Let's see, definitely going to have the kids. I had 3 back-to-back, messing with sea moss and flaxseed. Oh, man. It's really good by doing my supplements naturally. I get my moss straight from the sea and make a Jamaican sea moss punch. Hey, King City, man, make me some, man. I'll pay you. I'll send you a couple dollars for you to make me some sea moss. Come on now. Let's see, world renowned. Yeah. We got a world renowned doctor in the chat, man. Going just based off of straight family prescriptions. You know what it is though? That's actually very common though, right? Like especially in like Hispanic families, we have certain remedies that fix everything. Vicks, you put Vicks on everything. If you're Hispanic, you put Vicks on your chest, that fix everything. No matter if you have a cold, it don't matter what you got. Right, you put it all. Let's see, ate a vegan muffin with some kombucha. I never had kombucha.
Kombucha's nasty.
I never had that before. What is the point of that? Last night? Doc Pilgrim, certainly more reliable than Elon's Professor Sergendi's. Yeah. I do it for free, man, but how would I get it to you? Ship it. What you talking about? Let's put it in a nice little container. Make sure your name is on it. King City FX, Dr. King City FX. You know what I'm saying? And I'll send that. We need that. Let's see. Wifey's pregnant now. Damn, Tony. You don't stop. Oh, look how cute you are, baby. Hi. You're so beautiful. You going to a doctor's appointment?
Let's clean your face. You got stuff on your face.
You got to go doctor's appointment? You look so pretty. Damn, Tony. Well, congratulations on your 8th, man. You gotta go get yourself chopped off now, my boy. Come on, now. You gotta go close the shop. Let's see. My stepmom is Mexican and she always have remedies for everything. I'm telling you, my grandma has remedies for everything. No cap. My mom got remedies, but my mom now just says, throw some Vicks on it. All you need is Vicks Vapor Rub. I'm telling you, that solves everything. Kombucha is better if you try to find one by a local farmer's market. It's better than the big box stores. I never even had kombucha, bro. Only reason why I even know a kombucha is because of Bia. Right, the female rapper had said it one day. Love you, baby.
And kombucha's nasty.
Like I heard the rapper Bia say it, and I'm like, what the hell's kombucha? That's the only reason why I even know it.
Are you ready?
Ginger ale and Vicks facts. All right, let's see what we get here. Fine, we are about 18 minutes out from the open. We're about 18 minutes out from the open. Gold is starting. I mean, we are bouncing off of this support a bunch of times here for gold, man. Gold is doing a lot of bounces here. Gold is definitely bouncing off this support. How we feeling about gold, man? What we doing, gold? What we do? I see you rejecting this level a bunch of times, my boy. I see it. I see it. Trust me. I see it. Like, I see it. I think the safest play, again, I'm just talking about the safest. Y'all do what y'all want to do. But the safest thing for gold will probably be just a break back above this range right here now. Right, like to get a close above 25.10 on futures pricing based off futures pricing. Remember, futures and forex pricing on gold is different. 25.10, a close above 25.10 on futures pricing to the upside. I think that would be pretty solid. But until then, there's always that chance that this does just continue to drop. So we just gotta be patient here, family. Unless you like the sells. If you like the sells, man, I mean, there are certain things showing. Let's see. My brother has 13 kids and 13 baby mamas. Holy moly. That boy can touch a girl and get her pregnant. Sheesh. Damn. What's going on, RH? Kefir, Abel. Need some kefir. What is kefir? What is kefir? Is kefir something specific? Kefir. Is that how you spell it? Kefir. What is a fermented milk drink similar to thin yoga? What? I don't know if I want some kefir. I'm not even a fan of like milk as much. I used to love milk back in the day, but now, I don't know. Some kefir. Let's look up some kefir. Do you have a recommendation on the brand of kefir? Again, I'm still watching this stuff, family. Again, I would be a fan of buying gold if we're able to get back above here, to be honest with you. If we do break below here, there's always a chance that this does continue to drop as well. So we're gonna continue to see how this gold plays out here, but let's look up some kefir. What's this kefir about? Kefir. 10 grams of protein, 12 live active probiotics. It's just a drink? See, this stuff looks disgusting, bro. This looks like it's rotten milk. So you've been living under a rock? I really have been. I'm not even gonna lie. I really have. And you can just buy it in the store where your goods and stuff is? Okay. Now I'm gonna look into some kefir as well. I'm gonna see what's up with that. Let's see. It's them damn vitamins and working. I just need them. But you look at a girl and get her pregnant. No cap, bro. Man's has 13 kids with 13 baby mamas. Sheesh, bro. I can't deal with, I mean, I could deal with my one, bro, but dealing with one is a lot, bro. Imagine dealing with 13 baby mamas. Holy moly. That man, yo, you gotta have a real strong mindset to be able to do that. That's no joke. What's going on, TJ? Good to see you in the chat, man. Gold building liquidity, sweep and move. I mean, we're gonna find out. I mean, right now it looks like it might want to continue to drop here, and that's okay. I'm not chasing it. That's completely okay with me. Essential link, direct message, short video, so watch when you get a chance. Also puts in the profit share with the company. I got you, George. I'll look into it for sure. I'll look into it for sure. I got you. Look her in the eyes and drop her. That's what what's his name's brother does. No cap. That Apex money is pretty much child support. Oh, absolutely. Absolutely, bro. Imagine having to pay child support for 13 kids. Oh my god, that's a nightmare. Let's see. Gold is dropping. Is indices dropping too? Like, what are they doing? What's the dollar doing? That's what I'm interested in. What are you doing, dollar? Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. What we doing? How you feeling? Like, what are your plans for today? Are you taking a train downtown, walking fast? Is that what you think you're doing? Or are you gonna start to gain some strength back to the upside? What we thinking? All right, gold is below the 2503 level that I marked off. We gotta see how this closes here. I wonder if now is a good opportunity to really How we feeling, gold, man? What we doing? Are you just sweeping more liquidity? Because you're building up a lot right here, man. Like, why haven't you just really started to fall? Like, what's up, man? So let's see how this candle closes. This current 5-minute candle, guys, could tell us something, right? And what I'm reading here is we're seeing, obviously, finally now breaking below a key level of structure. We're having an increase in selling volume. So in theory, if this is actually going to continue to fall, and if we are going to see more sell impression, then this should continue to drop here. But what happens if we actually close below the level with increasing sell volume, but the market just erases it and we see some absorption? I will be okay with taking that absorption play. I'm okay with the absorption play. I'm absolutely okay with the absorption play if that's what we got to do. I see Bitcoin to 59.9. Where's Bitcoin at now? 60,000, 61K. I mean, it's possible. You never know. It's always possible. Like I always tell y'all, man, it's always possible. Yeah, I don't know, brother. NASDAQ. NASDAQ. What are you trying to do? I swear, this thing looks like it wants to go. We're about 10 minutes out from the open, though. 10 minutes out from the open. Oh, yeah. Gold is dripping. Gold is dripping. What are we going to do now? Are we going to just take out this low? Oh, we did just take out the low as well here. Okay. We just took out that low as well. What are we doing here? He's a grown man. He's standing on business. No secrets. Yeah, nah, gold is tanking right now, man. I mean, shout out to whoever did. I know some of you guys said that you guys are looking for sells on gold. Some of you guys are looking for buys on gold. Shout out to y'all that did take the sell on gold, man, because you guys are eating right now. For me, I'm still waiting. I personally wasn't favoring the sell on gold, so I didn't take it. I'm favoring the buy, but this is clearly selling off, so I just want to see, now that we took out this little support here, let's see how we play in fresh liquidity. What are we going to get here? This could continue to fall here. Like, it's at a point where I can't just sell now because it's already too late to try to sell it. But there is an opportunity for this thing to bounce back. We're in fresh liquidity here. Let's see how this plays off. Let me go higher time frame real quick. That's what I haven't been doing often with y'all, man. That's what I have not been doing often with y'all, and I gotta start doing this, right? Never lose sight of the mother junkin' higher time frame. So let me just take a look at the higher time frame real quick. See what kind of levels we have here that we could play around with. Let me see if there's any I mean, we're at a major level of structure right now too, but price is breaking right through that. Let's see. How we feeling, gold? How we feeling? Yeah, gold is rolling over, but keep in mind, guys, again, gold has just been in this range, this bigger range here too for the past 2 weeks. So we kind of have been at in this range. I mean, the only place that we can go for gold was to break all-time highs. You know, so we are seeing a lot of selling pressure literally right before we break all-time highs here. So that is all-time highs, right? Or am I tripping? No, that is all-time highs, yeah. So we're just seeing a little bit of a pullback here before we go ahead and smash all-time highs. That's cool. I'm not opposed to that. I'm not opposed to that. Took a quick scalp on gold. Okay. Gonna see what happens at 10 to enter. Been losing a lot at the open. Yeah, that's why I always wait till at least 5 minutes after the open, especially if I'm trading indices. Just too much chaos that be happening, bro. I'm also short on silver. Okay. Is that a lone candle on the 30? Yeah, it technically is a lone candle. And that's technically a lone candle for sure. How do we know? Because it's a lone candle. It's just a solo candle. And this lone candle created, and then we just seen another big show to the upside that also ended up taking out structure high here. So we could just come to fill out that entire lone candle and then see some bullishness come from that. So I wouldn't be surprised if gold does just fall, take out the lone candle, and then there's maybe an opportunity. This could just continue to fall here, but maybe an opportunity to go ahead and bounce back up. Yeah, so we gotta see how it plays in here. What we doing here? What we doing here? Boom, 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 boom. Look at the 1 minute. The 1 minute is starting to push here. What we doing here, gold? Are you really gonna push up like this for real, for real? There's no way you just gonna start moving like that, man. Ain't no way you just gonna start moving like this and just leave without it. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way, boy. Ain't no way, boy. What we doing? It's trying to find a support down here in this inside of the long candle. We gonna get a 3-minute OB? Are we about to get a 3-minute EC? 3-minute engulfing candle? How are we feeling, gold? Talk to me nice, man. We are about 5 minutes out from the open as well, family. 5 minutes out from the open. We shall see what we get at the open. Let's see. Lone, elephant, institutional. I choose elephant. 72 viewers. We up. Yeah, big shout out to all y'all, man, that were watching with me today, man. You guys are absolutely phenomenal superstars. You guys are the superstars of the channel. Let's go. He said, I know this prop firm is going to hate me this much. Which prop firm are you with, King City? Which prop firm are you with? Are you trading futures, forex? Which prop firm you with? You might have told me before, but my memory's a little shot. It's not as good as it used to be. But what are you thinking? Anybody else take any trades though? Anybody else in anything right now? Or are we all just waiting to the open now at this point? Anybody in anything, or are we all just waiting to the open? Because gold is in an interesting area, man. Gold is in an interesting area. We're just seeing a lot of selling pressure so far. Funding pips is my first prop. Hey, I mean, funding pips is still solid as far as I know. Again, I'm not too hip as much as I was on forex prop firms, but funding pips was always my favorite out of the selection that there was, for sure. Let's go. But funding pips, they gonna pay out as long as you ain't violate no rules. They definitely gonna pay out, so you should be good. I hope you absolutely drain them, to be honest. That would be absolutely amazing. I need you to get 100K worth of payouts from him in the next 2 months. Let's see, likes 27 for live viewers. Yeah, the likes to the viewers definitely don't match up, but it's cool, man. I just love the fact that you guys are here watching. If you don't mind, you can smash the like button. That's the way you can support the channel. If you just can't and you do mind, then it is what it is. It's cool. Let's see. GN pending buy activated at last night right before news. Stop loss move way above trend. Let's go, Linda. Come on now. You over there eating on pound New Zealand? Yeah. Oh yeah, that thing is flying too. Come on now. Yeah. Don DeMarco, DeMarco. I love that little sound, boy. Yeah, let's go, Linda. I love to see it, man. Come on. Let's see, waiting for you. Yeah, I'm waiting with you, Victoria. I'm waiting as well, man. Let's see, smash that like button, boys and girls. Yeah. They don't want to sign in. Google makes it a hassle just to log in. I hear it. I hear it. Don DeMarco, DeMarco. Yeah, indices are just going sideways. Again, we are still a few minutes out from the open, but actually we're literally a minute out from the open. They're just going sideways for now. Let me look at higher time frame on these bad boys real quick. Let's see where we're at. Let me see where we're at. NASDAQ, where you at? Kind of like you a little bit here. Yeah, NASDAQ looks like it's ready to run, bro. Boom, boom, boom. NASDAQ look like she trying to go. She trying to get up out of here. Gold is still dropping here. Gold is still dropping. She is dropping like a bag of brickers. We're gonna have to let her just continue to do her thing. YM on the other hand, how we feeling about US dirty 30? Yeah, NASDAQ look like it's about to start pushing here. All right, so ask ourselves, did we sweep liquidity? We did. All right, news spiked down. We swept these lows. Are we closing above the moving averages? 5-minute YM US 30 is looking like it so far. We got to see if we get this close up here like this. But so far, we got the sweep of liquidity to the downside, took out the lows, spiked back up to the highs, broke structure, pulled back down, creating a higher low. If this 5-minute candle closes above 39,900s, 39,900, I think that would be, if it doesn't leave without us, but I would like the upside. I would like the upside. The NASDAQ, what we doing? NASDAQ is still, I mean, it's trying to push up here. The S&P as well. I'm interested to see what YM really does here. What's US 30 about to do? All right, Gold. What we doing here, Gold? Did you sweep the full long candle yet? You ain't sweep the full long candle, but you're starting to go crazy now. Okay. It's got a little 1-minute flip here on US on gold actually. That's gold. How we feeling, Gold, man? How we feeling, man? How are we feeling now, Gold? Talk to me nice, man. Talk to me nice. Boom, 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 boom. Gold is trying right now. Gold is trying his hardest. We did just get a nice little 3-minute Engulfing candle at the low, supported by volume a little bit. How we feeling, gold? How we feeling about gold? How we feeling about gold, y'all? How we feeling about gold, y'all? I hear that horror blaring sound down DeMarco. Yeah, fresh and fit. Yeah, a lot of people use that sound now. It sounds a very popular sound nowadays, right? Again, I gotta be selective, fam. I don't got too much drawdown I can play with here, so I gotta lower my risk and be selective. So this gold don't look too bad though. I gotta be patient here. Don DeMarco. What we doing, gold? What we doing, gold? Talk to me nice. Don DeMarco. Indices, the Nasdaq is spiking down now. Okay, we got the first, we're about to get the 5-minute closure now as well here. Actually, we just got the 5-minute closure. Don DeMarco. DeMarco. Just bought US 39. You bought US 39, Aaron? Let's go. Say US 39. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, again, we swept the lows, pushed back up to create an internal high, created a higher low. I just got to see us close above, you know what I'm saying, like my key level here. We ain't close above it, but it don't look too bad, though. Let's see what we get here. See, gold is going to drop for the next 2 weeks. Forget about the buys. Let me see if I can find what you're looking at. You say it's going to drop for the next 2 weeks. I mean, I will give you the fact that we are already at the highs, right? So if you believe that these highs are going to truly hold a lot of weight and just continue to sell, you know, put a lot of pressure on gold, then there is a possibility that we definitely, you know, possibly correct here, right? But with the release that we just got, actually CPI was kind of mixed. I don't know. I mean, it's possible. I don't see it happening personally, but I could be wrong. And this could just continue to tank. I mean, talk to me, Ebenezer. Ebenezer, why do you feel like it's gonna drop for the next 2 weeks, man? Educate me. Let me know. What are you seeing? What are you seeing that has you feeling like it's gonna drop for the next 2 weeks? Anything specific, or is it just because we're at a supply zone? What are you thinking? I'm always up for a nice little education. You know what I'm saying? I never shy away from my education. Oh, where's her? Let's see. Nice. I got out of my $100 drawdown down to 509 away. Okay. Yeah. Build that self a little cushion, man. Build that cushion back up. Come on. Build that cushiony back up. Let's go. I mean, gold is trying to push up here a little bit. Gold is trying to push up here. Again, we did sweep the lows. We're in fresh liquidity. We're inside of a 30-minute loan candle. You don't see if this holds, but boy, I don't know why I woke up so tired today, bro. Boom, boom, boom. What we doing? Yeah, gold is pushing up, man. Gold is trying to make his way back up here. Gold is trying his little heart out right now. Give me a second, y'all. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, we got that done. We got that out the way. Let's see, BTC dropping. Oh, I don't want to see crypto falling, bro. I'm tired of seeing crypto falling, bro. Like, come on, man. Why? Come on, man. I need Solana back above 170. Yeah, I mean, gold is looking like it's about to really start to run. We just got back above this point here. I wouldn't be surprised if this dude start making a move. Let's see, it might be that elephant. The elephant is playing out, the 30-minute elephant. Is that what you're gonna call it? Oh man. Base hits from here on out. That's the best way to do it, bro. Base hits, man. Yeah, this lone candle is holding right now. If it's going to continue to hold, we shall see. But it's definitely trying its best right now. I mean, indices, okay, US 30 flipped back up now. Yeah, US 30 looks solid. The NASDAQ is pushing down. The S&P is pushing down, but US 30 flipped up. Huh. How we feeling, gold? Gold might break and retest $24.99. It possibly could. Shout out to Abel, bro. I wouldn't be trying harder to make this shit happen without you, man. Let's go, man. Big round of applause for you, JJ. Don't even give it for me. Come on, baby. That's what I love to do, family, right? I know there's definitely some of you guys, right? Most of you guys are definitely getting busy in trading, right? A lot of you guys are just trading, obviously, on your own setups. You guys might look at me just to get my opinion. You know, there's a lot of times where you guys don't agree with my opinions and y'all still take your setups and win, right? Which is dope. But if I'm on here and me being live is encouraging you to really lock in, shit, that's a blessing. I'll take that shit all day. That's a compliment. Let's go. If y'all using me as motivation to lock in and just continue to show up, I'll take it, man. I'll take that. That's dope. That's dope. Come on now, JJ. That's love, bro. Let's see. Big Ed in the building. Okay, I just seen you. What you looking at? All New Zealand sales. Big Ed. Let's go. All right, let's see. Initial thoughts here for all New Zealand. We just swept these highs. Or we just swept this internal range structure. Tapped into this imbalance that we have here. The market is now finding, you know, a resistance up here. Starting to see some selling pressure come in. It could possibly definitely go in the range. We could fall back in the range. There's always that possibility for sure. I would probably prefer for an actual close below the range though. But it's possible. I could see it. I could see it. I could see it. I could see it come back in the range. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I can see it. I mean, we'll see how that plays out, but. Alright, gold. What we doing, gold? Did you make up your mind yet? I know you came back above the range here, which is pretty dope, but. We gotta see how this works out. Trading is boring. May as well come chat and support each other. Apps. See? Man. Don DeMarco. Don DeMarco. You're absolutely right about that, man. Trading is a very boring sport. Might as well come support each other. Absolutely. That's the right mindset, man. I love that mindset, bro. Absolutely. Might as well come support each other. Might as well come let Abel entertain y'all. I be looking like a fool sometimes, but it's cool for the entertainment of y'all. We're gonna make it work. You know what I'm saying? But that's what it's all about, family. You guys, and this is what I want it to be known, right? I've tried my best. I tried my best to really make this as like a community that we're able to share ideas with without any type of regret. Right? Because if you go in other streamers, other YouTube channels, and you try to give your opinion, more times than not, they just ignore it or they completely just shut you down. I can't be like that, right? Because you never know. I could be wrong. So I always try to at least look at what you guys are looking at. Whether I agree or not is irrelevant, right? I always want to see, okay, what are they looking at? That's why I constantly ask you guys, yo, what are you guys looking at? What we doing? What we doing? What we doing? Right? Because I also use your guys' setups too and what you guys look at, and I look and try to see if it matches what I'm looking at. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to see. That's love, man. It's definitely dope to go ahead and support each other. Big round of applause for each other again, family. Let's go. Don DeMarco. You know what I'm saying? So we got to see how this continues to play out, though. 200 on your NAS sell. Let's go, Kyrie. Big round of applause for Kyrie. W's in the chat for Kyrie, family. Come on now. Do we have any more W's we can celebrate real quick? You know, this is the community of celebration. This is the community of celebration. Come on now. We gotta celebrate each other, family. We gotta celebrate each other. The more we celebrate each other, the more we're encouraged to continue to show up. Right? Trading is difficult. It's so easy to get discouraged with trading, man. We gotta hold each other's back, man. Come on now. Let's go. Little mini round of applause right there. Let's go. Let's see, Mel just sniped YM while making smoothies, and she's showing off all before. Let's go, my sister Mel, man. Big shout out to Mel. Everybody drop a W in the chat for Mel real quick. That's really sis right there. Come on now. Come on now. Big shout out to Mel. Let's go, sis. Show Drew who's the real trader of the house. Did I go too far, Drew? Show Drew who's the real trader of the house. Come on now. Come on. Am I going too far, Drew? Am I tripping? Am I tripping, Drew, or not? Go and be honest, bro. If I had to put money on you or her, I ain't gonna lie, bro. If I had to put money on you, taking your trades or her trades, bro, and I respect your trades, bro, I'm taking hers. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. I see her putting in work. I've seen it with my own two eyes, her putting in work. Hungry. So if I had to choose, Drew, you know you're my brother. Just no. Don't put me in that position to choose. I'm choosing her. Shout out to my sister Mel, man. Let's see, I take your trades too. Absolutely, man. That's dope. Let's go. I'm in Nas buys. I'm riding a winning swing. Took another partial for. Let's go, Mr. Free Zone himself. Come on now, Mr. Free Zone himself. Eating. Let's go. I love it. I love it. JJ up 300 too. Don DeMarco. Let's go, JJ. Come on, man. You know what will be dope though, family? You know what will be even cooler? Matter of fact, I need y'all to drop your locations in the chat real quick, family. I want to see where everybody's located at. Cause y'all don't know. There might be people that are in this chat that are literally in your same neighborhood that y'all could really lock in together. Really be your accountability partners. Hold each other down. So can I get locations in the chat real quick? Let me get locations in the chat real quick, man. I want to see where you guys is at. Because if we have people that are in the same community, same areas, man, we got to start partnering. We got to start linking up, man. Y'all got to start doing stuff together. Holding each other accountable. Come on. That's what we got to do. Hold each other accountable. That's what trading is all about, man. When you have a support system, family, that won't let you fail, we can only win. We can only win. Come on. Let's see. We got Texas. We got Brooklyn. Be specific too, family. Right? Be specific. Don't just say state. I want to see cities. I want to see cities. I want to see if, again, I want you guys to link up, man. If y'all got people in your cities, man, link up. Got Brooklyn, LA, Mississippi, Philly, Dallas, the DMV, West Palm Beach, Wilmington. He said regular New York or diet New York. Yo, Drew. You gonna stop playing upstate New York, bro. You gonna stop calling upstate New York diet New York. You gotta stop doing that, bro. Come on. Yo, you're crazy. Oh my God. We got Mississippi. Okay, I see a couple Mississippis in the building. I don't know how, obviously, depending on city, it could be close. We got Orange County. We got Rocktown, Arkansas, Cincinnati, Ohio, ATL in the building, Indiana, Houston, South Korea. Shout out to you out there in South Korea, man. Let's go. We got St. Louis, Missouri in the building. H-Town, stand up, Maryland. Yeah, we got a few of y'all out there in Cali, too. A few of y'all out there in LA, man. Mineral Wells, Texas, small town. How far is Mineral Wells from like a major city? Like, what's the closest major city you got, Jose? What's the closest major city? Houston, Dallas, Austin, San Antonio. About an hour from Fort Worth. Okay, that's not that bad. We got Beaufort, Georgia in the building. Shout out to y'all out there in Georgia. Grapevine, Flower Mound. Okay. Carthage, Mississippi. Middleton, Ohio. The Ohio. Grand Rapids, Michigan. Okay, yeah. Listen, man. Again, if you see somebody that's close by, family, don't hesitate to reach out, man, and say, yo, let's have a little trading session today, man. Let's link up. Let's go get some coffee together. Just talk trading. Because the reality is, this is what I know. The reality is, you're probably one of the only people in your immediate family or your immediate circle that actually trades. Am I right or am I wrong about that? I know how it is. Right? All of my day ones don't trade. They don't give a crap about trading. 99% of my family, besides one of my uncles, don't trade. So I get it. Right? Most of the people that we talk to on a daily basis that were around more times than not are not trading, right? So it's dope to be able to link up with people that do trade. You know what I'm saying? In real life, go get some dinner, chop it up. You never know. A real relationship could be built off of that. A real relationship could be built off of that. That'd be crazy. Let's see. He said, my mama house. Well, shout out to your mama, man. Shout out to the mama. Shout out to Mama Ed. Let's go, Mama Ed. We appreciate you. What about a WV retreat mastermind? Bro, we've been thinking about it. I mean, Drew, you was at the last one, right? The last time I did an actual retreat, I'm not even gonna lie, it was chaotic, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Last time we did an actual Wealthy Visions retreat was like 3 years ago, 4 years ago, probably. And to the outside world that wasn't actually running it, it was an amazing event. It was an amazing time, right? We had a big ass crib. We had a big ass mansion, but we also had a Ended up getting a penthouse as well for half of the team. It was dope, but trust me, it was hell, bro. I dealt like that week, bro, that I did that, Drew. That week, boy, was I stressed out. I'm not even gonna lie. I was super stressed out. We played it off though. That whole retreat went phenomenal though. It went phenomenal. It was really good, but I was stressed the hell out. I'm not even gonna lie. That really taught me a lot of things about setting up retreats. I'm not even gonna lie. Sheesh. Let's see. We got Mike Clausen in the building. Mr. Barcode himself. What's going on, Mike, man? Shout out to you out there in Alberta, bro. Edmonton, Alberta, Canada in the building. Shout out to you guys out there, man. Appreciate y'all. Let's see. TP hit made. Yo, you guys are eating, bro. I'm still being very selective, right? And I'm being very selective because I really was looking for the opposite direction of what these markets are showing me right now. Right, I really wanted to see more upside for gold and indices, but I mean, besides US 30, everything else really corrected pretty nicely. Now, here's the thing though. We know that this 10 o'clock candle usually produces a very good opportunity to get involved. So we're not going to rush it. We're just going to wait, be patient, let the 10 o'clock candle hit. And then hopefully this 10 o'clock candle can produce something nice for us. So we're gonna be patient here. No rush at all. I kind of like gold still. Gold still don't look too bad. Gold looks like it still could go back to the upside here. It looked like it really could bounce off of this low and actually push back up here. We're gonna see what we get here. Charleston in the building. Shout out to my brother Lou. Big Charleston stand up. Let's see, when's the last time you talked to Dale Woods? It's been a little while since I talked to Dale Woods, to be honest with you. It's been a little while. But shout out to Dale Woods, man. He's over there cooking up too. He's absolutely crushing it right now, man. Let's see, did y'all see Drake and Apex come together to buy that Italian soccer club? I did not. What I did see was Kevin Durant. Kevin Durant just bought a minority stake in PSG. Right? Is that the same club you're talking about? Are we talking about PSG? Because if we talk about PSG, which is an Italian club as well, Kevin Durant ended up buying a stake in that. So I don't know about, I didn't see about Drake. I know Kevin Durant just did over the weekend though. Let's see what we got here. Jose, we're about an hour away. That's what I'm saying. Listen, an hour ain't that far. Everything's an hour away in Texas. I'm not hearing that. All right, everything's an hour away in Texas. So being an hour away in Texas, that's actually really close. But that's super close. Because everything is freaking far in Texas, bro. It's one thing you learn about Texas and just traveling. Certain areas, bro, like Texas, bro, it'd take you an hour just to get from one side to the next side in Texas. No cap. So that's actually not that bad. Y'all should definitely consider linking up, man. Let's see. Lambo money. I live in the sky. Do you live in the sky because you're just high as hell? Or because you're just an alien? Or because of both? Come on. There we go. George and TJ. There you go. You guys are not that far from y'all. I'm telling y'all. Let's see how you feel about using support and resistance and supply and demand in one strategy. They're not. I mean, it's not bad if you can make it work, Shrem. You know, there are times where I would take like a simple supply and demand type of setup for sure. I prefer trading supply and demand over just simple support and resistance though, right? Because when I make my support and resistance levels like this right here, like you got to just be really on top of watching price action if you're playing support and resistance levels. But if you're playing supply and demand zones, I'm okay with taking those because usually the risk to reward is usually a lot more favorable. So let's see, we got St. Louis in the building. Shout out to you, Visha. Shout out to you out there in the St. Louis. I see you. Let's see, PSG is France. Oh, okay, this one's from Italy. Yeah, I didn't hear about Drake. I heard about PSG though from Kevin Durant. Let's see, just close 3 contracts out for 400. Come on, bro. Y'all over here crushing it, man. Y'all crushing it. Yeah, NASDAQ is still pushing down. The S&P is pushing back down as well here. US 30 is holding up pretty strong, though. Yeah. Let's see, I missed the food in Texas. You know what I miss in Texas, bro? What's that one fast food restaurant? What's that fast food restaurant that they got? They got the good ass bread. That's what I miss, because I don't got that over here in North Carolina. What is it? Damn, what's it called? They got good ass chicken and bread, bro. Oh, man. Canes, yeah. Canes, that's what it is. Hell yeah. I miss some Canes, that's for sure. I definitely miss some Canes, because they don't got that here. At least, I don't know. Do they got that in North Carolina, actually? Hold on. Let me find out there's a Canes close by. There is a Canes close by. I'm tripping. What? Wow. It must have just opened. Let me see. I found a TikTok about it.
Triangle area of North Carolina officially has a Raising Cane's now, and this is the nicest Raising Cane's I have ever been in. Now, of course, since this location opened up on Franklin Street in Chapel Hill,
oh, it's right in College Town, though.
Decked out with UNC memorabilia. I'm a huge sports girly, so it was super cool to eat my meal surrounded by all these iconic UNC legends on the walls. But y'all know the real reason I'm here. Let's get into the food. We got the box combo because you really can't go wrong with Raising Cane's chicken fingers.
Hell
and of course, the cane sauce was the main character. I promise y'all I used every last drop of this sauce, and if I had another one, I might have dipped my Texas toast in it too. Me and my family are super excited to finally have a Raising Cane's location nearby, and we will definitely be back for more.
Damn, this just opened? When did it just open? She put this out in January? It just opened at the beginning of the year? Franklin Street is crazy in Chapel Hill, though. That's College Town, though. That's right next to UNC. That's gonna be super busy. Damn, let me find out they got a Cane's over here. I'm about to take a trip today. What? What? Nah, that just made my day, family. Yeah, that just made my day, no cap. Alright, let's see. Let me catch up with y'all comments up. Let's see, I love it, people. We look out for our own. Absolutely. Let's see. We got Muskegon in the building. Shout out to the Muskegon boys out there in Michigan, man. Let's see. Let's chop it up, Jose. I'm in downtown Dallas, Texas. Yeah, Dom, link up, man. I'm telling y'all, y'all need to link up, fam. It'll be dope. It'll be dope. Let's see. Texas Roadhouse. Texas Roadhouse is cool. I've had Texas Roadhouse a million times, though, but it's cool. Let's see, we think about Ed is like, bro, let's get back to trading, bro. I got you, Ed. Ed's like, bro, I'm trying to make money, bro. You talk about food, bro. As you think about sales on gold, if it pulls back to 24.62. Let me look at Forex price in 24.62. I mean, it is possible, right? Because we do have that level of structure, that level of resistance. I think that's why it's probably why you ended up specifically looking at that level. So it is possible for sure, right? That bounces, prices reacts off of here, and we just continue to drop. In fact, that level right there could actually tell us a lot, right? Obviously price can pop up here and just start to fall, or we can break above it and use it as support and then really look for those buys. So yeah, I mean, if we're able to get up there, yeah, for sure, I wouldn't mind looking for a sell. I wouldn't mind looking for a sell at all, if it's able to get up there though. Let's see, Dairy Queen. Dairy Queen is alright. Dairy Queen is alright. Let's see, shout out to Tom Sanders in the building. I see you, Canes do hit. Absolutely. I was fitted to say I thought them things were everywhere. Nah. We just got our first cane. I just found out right now with y'all that we just got our first cane in North Carolina. Let's see, I'm in St. Louis too. Me and a friend of mine straight as well. You're welcome to join. Okay, Daquan. There we go. There we go. Frenchies. I never had Frenchies. Never had Frenchies before. Never seen a Canes like that. There's the thing, right? With anything that's in Chapel Hill, like Chapel Hill was literally, it's like college town, right? Over here in North Carolina. There's 3 major colleges right like 15 minutes from me, right? Like UNC Chapel Hill, D1 college, obviously known for its sports, especially basketball. They're like 20 minutes from me, right? Then we have Duke University, obviously known for its basketball, right? D1 college, like 15, 20 minutes from me. Then we have North Carolina State. That's like 10 minutes from me. All right. Then you could even consider some smaller colleges like Wake Forest. Like, yeah, I'm like right in the middle. There's so many colleges near me. It's so crazy. But in that specific area, Franklin Street, like, good luck. You're going to see, it's just going to, especially during school season, like, it's impossible to get anything over there. Impossible. Like, I got to go like now, like right before school season starts. It's going to be so hard to get up in there. I know you're getting ready to, I'm telling you, like, don't be surprised. Like, actually, matter of fact, wifey's on her way to bring the kids to the doctor's appointment. Their doctor's is actually in Durham. So the doctor's office is probably not that far from that Canes. I'm like, yo, scoop me up some Canes, honey. I'm really texting her right now. Y'all think I'm playing? Let me just make sure. Oh, I'm about to call her real quick. You got me tripping. ECU, yeah, ECU isn't that far neither from me. Hello, I have a question for you. Where is the kid's doctor's appointment at? Or doctor's office? Oh, I was hoping it was in Durham. That's like the border. Because they have a Canes out here now. But the Canes is in Chapel Hill. So if he was close, I was gonna say you're gonna have to pick up some Canes. Crazy. You remember how you remember how crazy Canes hits? That's the only place they had. I didn't even know they opened one over here. They just opened one at the beginning of the year though. Yeah. As soon as you leave there, see how far it is. It's not too far. You might have to take a pit stop. Grab me some Canes. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'll buy you a coffee. Just let me call me when you leave there, baby. All right. Sheesh. Damn, that's tough. Yeah, I still am. Yeah, call me when you leave. Honestly, it's probably gonna be a little far because again, Briar Creek is still a little far from Chapel Hill. All right, call me. Love you, bye. Shit, you thought I was playing, Drew? I need me some Canes, boy. You think I'm playing, bro? All right, it's 10 o'clock now, family. Let's see what we get here, right? Either we're going to see continuations of what we just had, or we're going to see some reversals real quick in the market here. Let's see what we got. The NASDAQ spiked back down, came to fill the wick. What we doing here? What we doing here, NASDAQ? Talk to me nice. The S&P came back down as well. We got to see what this does here. Again, it's either going to get continuations for the 10 o'clock or some reversals. I'm hoping we get some reversals so we can get involved. Continuations are a little tougher to play. Continuations are a little tougher to play unless we get a deep enough pullback here. Like this NASDAQ, man, is really intriguing me right now. This NASDAQ is looking interesting. Because we had closed as a bullish engulfing previously. Come on now, talk to me nice. Let's see. Took a sell on YM. Let's see what's YM doing. YM did correct a little bit. Yo, these markets are just so choppy, bro. Like, that's why I've been getting cooked. I've been getting cooked the past couple days. Cooked. Honestly, it wasn't just because of choppy markets. I made a couple sketchy, degenerate decisions. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Again, I'll lie to everybody else. I ain't gonna lie to y'all though, family. I made a couple sketchy decisions yesterday. I only made one sketchy decision. Actually, two. The first trade I never took. Second trade was just bad stop loss placement. But these markets, man, we gotta see. We gotta see we gotta see how this continues to go here. Let's see. Call 2% on US 30 buys. That's crazy. Yo, you know what's crazy, Ed? Every time I look at your picture, bro, in the thing, all New Zealand went crazy. You remind me of my little brother, bro. Like, your face looks so similar to my little brother just based off your freaking picture. So every time I see your name and I look at the picture, I feel like I'm looking at my brother. I'm like, whoa. It's kind of scary. I'm like, what the hell? Edney? Is that you? Yo. All right, let's see, man. Yeah, US 30 starting to flip back up here now. US 30, oh yeah, US 30 look like it's about to run for sure. US 30 looks like it's about to run now. It could run here. Again, I'm just reading price action right now, right? I ain't taking just yet. But we're bouncing off this previous support. Or we're bouncing off of support. Previous resistance turns support. We're bouncing off of the moving averages. All right, we just got a trigger line entry here on YM on US 30. This don't look too bad. This don't look too bad. Yeah, US 30 look like it's about to run. NASDAQ is falling still. Okay, nasty Nas, what we doing here? How far are you trying to go, buddy? Or are you just going to be bearish for today? Are you just going to be bearish for today? Let me check higher time frames real quick. Make sure we understand where we're at on the higher time frame. And we do have this key level right here that we could bounce off of. Again, I'm favoring bullishness, family, on indices and gold longer term, which is why like my biases are more so to the long position on both. Just because I feel like the market is pricing in the fact that we're going to get a rate cut next month. Right? And if we are going to be pricing in a rate cut, then that will insinuate that these should continue to go bullish, in my opinion. Right? So that's why I kind of like the buys here for the NASDAQ, for the S&P, for US 30, and also for gold. And honestly, for that matter, for foreign currencies as well. And that's why I would assume the dollar itself should continue to drop here. I would assume that we continue to see a lot of weakness leading up into interest rate cuts next month. So that's a big reason why I'm so bullish on these things, man. I think the market is going to continue to price in the fact that we're getting a rate cut soon. So that's why I'm just looking for that. I'm looking for that specifically. Let's see, 200 on Nas. Let's go, Shrimp. Let's go. Come on now, turn up. Let's see, shit, we brothers, we both like chicken. Absolutely. Let's go. Let's see, YM stop loss hit at $30 in profit. Hey man, that's not a bad way to go out. We'll take that. Take that little $30, right? We'll take that. We'll take that. I'm keeping my eye on the NASDAQ right here, right? Because if we bounce off the NASDAQ, family, I'm taking this. Again, US 30 is making this move like I expected it to. The NASDAQ, though. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. We're on this support now. We're testing a support level. Just so you guys can see it. Previous levels of structure here. We did pull back down here. Now I want to see if we can get some type of level B. We did fill the wick as well. We got the wick fill completely filled out now. If this 1 minute closes like this, boy, don't play with me. I'll take a super cheap trade. Super, super easy trade. If it can close as an engulfing here. 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute engulfings, I might take it. So, yeah, tight will be, stop losses will be a little tight, but that's what I'm going to be keeping my eye on now. Let's see what we get here. Again, we are bouncing off of a support already as it is. Let's see, how we feeling? Is this going to go here? I'm watching this thing like a hawk. I'm watching this thing like a hawk. Let's see, they jacking we can't cut rates because of the carry trade. Nah, we can cut rates. The Bank of Japan can't cut rates. Or the Bank of Japan can't do shit. They can't raise rates at least. Okay, NASDAQ, don't leave without me though. Come on now. We're getting a nice bounce off the support, but don't leave without me. Yeah, I'm getting ready to look at this, guys. If this does flip back bullish, I'll probably end up taking this here. Now, again, it is 1 minute plays, though. But we did get a nice little bounce off of this support here. Close bullish on the 3 minute, 1 minute. Let's see what we get here. I don't know. There's too much. There is a lot of selling pressure for sure. There's a lot of selling pressure, but it's cool. I think this does have a good opportunity to bounce right back on up here. You know what? I'm not risking much, family. I only threw 3 contracts. Again, I got to lower my risk anyways, right? But I did take this buy here. Super risky. It is a little bit risky, but I kind of like how we bounce off the support here on the 1 minute. Flip back up. Again, I'm not risking much. I'm only risking like $200 here. Right? In case this don't work, it keeps dropping, I'll take that small loss. And we'll just wait for the next opportunity here, right? So I'm only risking super small. Normally, I'm comfortable risking around 400 or 500. But because I can't risk too much now, I'm risking like 200. But I did take this. And I want to target all the way back up to the highs if possible. That would be freaking crazy. I don't know if we can get back up to the highs, but if we can, that'll be spectacular. But I did take this buy here, family. We gonna see, man. We gonna see. It's either I'm gonna get clapped for a small little loss, or this is gonna make its way back up. All of my trades moving forward got to be reduced risk, especially on this account. All of my trades moving forward got to be reduced risk. So I'm only gonna be risking like $200 now until I'm able to create another nice little buffer again. Let's see what we get here. Again, I have been off my game, guys. I'm not even being honest with y'all. I'm just being honest, all right? I have been off my game, too, so that's why I lowered my risk as well. I've been off my game the last few trades, so lower risk. Easier to manage the emotions. Let me actually go ahead and fill this out as well. What's today? The 14th, 2024. It is a 10 o'clock banger. We bought. And we bought MNQ. New York. We just did the buy at market for this one. Again, we only threw 3 contracts. We're only risking 29. Only risking 29. Actually, no. Yeah, we're risking around 29, 30 points. Target is going to be way back up to the highs, though. I'm not even going to lie. This is going to be a position that I try to hold. So the target is going to be for around 189 points. 189. Emotions. Blessed and grateful. That's how I feel right now. I'm blessed and grateful to be here with y'all. Price fell hard and has reached a strong support. Took it off the 1 minute engulfing candle off the support. There we go. All right, so that is all marked out. And now we just gotta see what happens here. We're currently in around 10 points of profit. You guys know that's, I mean, it is what it is, low 10 points. If we can actually get back above the wick, like if we can get back above here, that would be great, man. Like that's gonna dictate what happens here, right? It's either we're gonna be able to get above here and hold and then continue, or we're just gonna use this as now a resistance and just gonna stop me out for a small loss. But either way though, we in this, reduce risk, be able to manage our emotions better, and we deal with the outcome, baby. Come on now, we deal with the outcome. That's all we gotta do, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's see, I need that spreadsheet. Abel, you mind linking the spread? Yeah, I mean, I sent it to you guys a few times, but I got y'all. Let me just make sure I make a... Actually, you guys can get this. You guys can't do anything with it anyways. Yeah, I got y'all. Spreadsheet is in the chat. Again, you are going to have to, when you get the spreadsheet, you're going to have it with all of my trades on it. You're going to want to come here, file, make a copy. Right, make a copy and make it your own. Make a copy and make it your own. Y'all not gonna be able to do anything with mine because it's only view only. It should only be view only. Hopefully y'all shouldn't be able to edit it. All right, so y'all shouldn't be able to edit it. But yeah, so it should be view only. In order for you to actually have it your own, make a copy, and then there you go. Bada bing, bada boom. That's for y'all. Let's see, what's the 15-minute? Yeah, I need the 15-minute to really... If the 15-minute engulfs back up, boy, oh my goodness, that would be absolutely spectacular, boys and girls. That would be so great if this was able to engulf the 15-minute in the next 8 minutes. Just we had so much bullishness that it just went up and up and up. Sheesh. That would be spectacular. But we gotta see now. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, 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 hey. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Thank you. No, thank you. Don't thank me. Thank you. Listen, for those of you guys that are new, one thing y'all realize about me is I try my best not to gatekeep nothing. All right, everything I use, everything I know, I try to give it to y'all. All right, I'm very big on the more value I provide to you guys for free. In return, I'll eventually get paid for it somewhere down the line. All right, so that's why I don't gatekeep nothing, family, right? I try to give you guys as much game, as much value, giving you as much resources as possible. Because I know the big homie himself got me in the future. The big homie being the big God, my Lord and Savior, you feel me? I know he always gonna take care of me regardless, right? So that's why I don't gatekeep. I try to give you guys everything. Absolutely. Come on now. All right, so we are about 20 points in profit, family. We are about 20 points in profit. I'm not going to move my stops to break even, but I am going to roll it just below these lows here. Right, I'm not going to move it to break even. I've been getting stopped out too early. Right, but we are up around 20 some points, 24 points right now in profit. Again, I'm not going break even, but I am going to at least reduce the risk to the right below the lows. So we're going to see how this continues to play out here. So we're going to ride it out, man. We're going to ride it out. We're going to see how this goes. But we technically are up to 20 points that we were targeting consistently. Let's see. Let's see, NASDAQ. You got something for us, NASDAQ? Come on, baby. What's gold doing? Gold is also looking... Gold is trying to push up, too. Don't be surprised if gold tries to make its way up here. I'm locked in on NASDAQ, but... Yeah, we need you to close above the range. Come on, NASDAQ. Don't close below the range. We need you to close above it. Close above the range. Come on. Close above the range. I went from risking 29 points to now only risking 18 points. So now I'm only risking like maybe 150 on this position. But if this goes to the highs, risking 150 to make probably like 800 if this can go to the highs. Hell yeah, that's beautiful. Risking 150 to make like 800 if this can actually run. Hell yeah, that'll be great. Who needs that? Crazy risk to reward there. Let's see, not gonna lie, that's the major thing I learned from you for the past 5 years. Gotta give it away, bro. You know what the thing is about me? I've always said this for the longest, right? I want the free content that I give y'all, the free game that I give y'all to be better than everybody else's paid shit. And that's a fact. Like, that's really been my thing, right? Like, I want the free game that I give y'all to be better than the paid shit that people have out there. Because if I do that, then by default, y'all gonna support me and rock with me. You know what I'm saying? So that's my motto. If you scared to give away the sauce, then you don't know enough, if you ask me. If you're scared to give away the game, then you don't have enough game to give. Come on now. If you're scared to give it away, you need to get yourself back in the books. Get yourself back in the books, man. Boom. Come on, NASDAQ. What we doing, baby? What we doing? Yeah, it's bouncing off this resistance right here. This resistance is holding it down. Like I said, I needed this to really... We needed this to hold strong right here. We need this resistance to hold strong. We needed to bounce above this right here, man. If we could bounce above that, I'll be straight. We'll be phenomenal. But if we can't, then this might continue to drop here. But we're going to see. We're going to see how this play out. And this is why I didn't go break even either, right? Because if I would have went break even already, I would have got hit at break even, which would have been alright. It is what it is, but I'd rather take a loss than get hit at break even for this one because I'm risking so little. I'm risking so little. I'd rather take an L than get hit at break even. So let's see what we get here. Took a buy on NAS. Hey, I'm with you. I've been in the buy too. Hopefully it works out for us, free zone. Hopefully it works out for us, baby. Come on. Come on now. Let's see. If someone is holding back game, they personally don't want other people to win. Or they could be introverted. Yeah, it could be either or, right? I mean, more time than not, it's just they want to just, you know, offer it as an offer. I understand it. You know what I'm saying? They probably just want to package it up and sell it. Listen, like that's a business at the end of the day, right? I know a lot of people don't like, you know, people that sell courses and things like that, but that's a whole nother business. All right, and as long as they're actually providing real value, I don't see nothing wrong with selling courses, selling boot camps, because I do it. Right? But it gotta be something of value though, right? It gotta be worth it though. Can't just be selling bullshit. Nah. Right? That's why for me, my method is give it all away. And then in the back end, I could sell some shit after I prove it in myself that, you know, proving to everybody that I got some real value. That's just my way of doing it. Am I leaving money on the table by doing it this way, by giving most of it away and then hoping people sign up for some offers? Yeah. But it is what it is. Why? Because I'd rather, do things like this, build my credibility even more, and then just, you know, deal with it like that. So, but it's a business, man. Selling courses is a business. Selling education is a business that's been around for thousands of years. I mean, what do y'all think colleges do? Like, what do y'all think universities do? Right? Colleges sell education, which is why the tuition is out the wazoo. So, let's see. Got stopped out of NAS for negative 150. Hey, Julius, man, that's like a break even. No cap, bro. Because especially since last week, what you lost, this 150 ain't nothing compared to what you lost last week from what you said. Last week, you said you took a 5-figure loss, right? 3-figure losses, whatever. We're going to shake that off. We're going to shake that off. That's essentially like a break even, in my opinion. Come on now. Always tomorrow, though. That's a fact, Jay. There's always tomorrow. Always got to live to trade another day at the end of the day. Every single time, man. Come on, Nasty Naz. What we doing, baby? I need you to just run, bro. Just run for us real quick. Just do us a solid. Like, just do me one favor. If you could do me one favor, just run. That's all. You know, just run for us real quick. That's all. We got to make up. You know, I need to get a W in the books. I'm on a 3-trade losing streak right now. I need a W. Come on. Just give me my money. Yeah, that's hilarious, bro. Why would you say that, though, bro? That just stays in my head after I start saying it, bro. Oh, that's going to be in my head now all day. Damn. How could you, Jose? Damn. Just give me my money. Yo, that shit is hilarious, bro. Just give me my money. Oh, that shit is so funny, but I'm dead ass upset now because that's really gonna be in my head all day, bro. Oh man, just give me my money. Damn. It might be a dub for Canes, man. My wife is like 30 minutes away from Canes. Sheesh. I might have to go after this stream though or something. He said you're welcome. Just give me my money. Alright, yeah, I don't know if this is gonna work out, family. This is not supposed to come back like this, but it is what it is. We'll see. Just give me my money. Let's see, you up 112? Come on, Drew. Go ahead and eat, my boy. Eat. You're in 68B1. 68B1, I hear that. 68B1, okay. You can't Uber Eats it? I don't know, bro. That's like Chapel Hill's like 40 minutes from me. At least, let me see actually how far that is. Actually, I might be able to. That's a little drive, though. Let me see how far it is from me. So give me my money. Yeah, that's 50 minutes from me, boy. Hoo-wee. Oh, there's a major accident on the highways, too. But yeah, that thing is 50 minutes from me right now. This morning traffic ain't gonna help out neither. Sheesh. I don't know if that, I mean, I'm gonna check. I'm gonna see. Let me go to my food apps real quick. Where my foodie apps at, man? I got a whole bunch of food apps here. Let me see. DoorDash, Uber Eats, Postmates, Grubhub. Alright, let's see. Alright, we out of this trade, family. This thing is dripping. We didn't lose much, though. I'm still on my losing streak, which is unfortunate, but I'm glad that we didn't lose much on this position. This thing did not want to just turn around. Let's see. Yeah, markets are probably just going to remain choppy, to be honest with y'all. The way it's looking, these things might just look super choppy for today. Let me see. How much did I lose? I think I lost literally like $100, which is a blessing. I'll take that, boy. Especially when I look at the last couple. I've been getting worked. A little $100 loss. Let me see. Where am I at? Let me see. What was this? Yeah, 120 bucks, boy, I'll take that all day. I'll take that. I mean, again, it sucks that we're still on a losing streak here, family. We still got to rebound, man. But it's cool, right? Because I'm really happy with how we managed that position. We didn't risk too much at all, and the market is still dropping too. So it was a good take. You know, it was a good stop loss. We didn't get wicked out. Now we do have this little fair value gap right here. We do have this little imbalance a little bit lower. Price might could just re-house off of there too, but nah, that's a light loss though. I'm still on my losing streak though, fam. Still on my losing streak. Still blessed and grateful. It's cool. It'd be like that. We gonna shake it off, man. Be like that. Let me see. Proud of this trade setup. The markets just wasn't ready to go up yet, but happy with the small loss. Hell yeah, I'll take that all day. Beautiful. All right, so this is where we're at now. Markets weren't marking. Yeah, markets weren't marking. Right, but again, listen, I'm happy, man. I'm happy with the stop loss placement. I'm happy that I moved it up. Listen, if I could only lose $120 every trade, boy, that would be spectacular. Shoot. So I'm happy with that. Let's see. Everything is rolling over though now. Gold is still dropping here. Indices are all falling. The dollar's probably going. The dollar's falling too. Everything is falling, including the dollar. What the hell? The dollar fell. Gold fell. What happened with correlations? Indices fell. Like, correlations don't make sense right now. Everything is falling. What the hell? Crypto falling. Damn. Only thing probably going up is these foreign currencies. Yeah, the foreign currencies. The euro's going up. The pound, the yen. Those are going up, which is cool. Everything else is dripping. Don't be surprised if indices still pop back up. I'm telling y'all. Just like I told y'all yesterday, right? As soon as we got off stream, the market wanted to move in our direction. Don't be surprised as once I click sign off, that these markets really start to go crazy. I'm telling y'all. Don't be surprised about that. Because this market, it's been like waiting for us to get off stream for it to really make the moves. So I still think, I could be wrong here, but I still think these things end up closing bullish for the day. Just like what we said yesterday. I said it yesterday, and this thing went crazy as soon as we got off stream. I'm going to say it today as well. Don't be surprised if these do rebound and close back bullish for the day. But now we just got to be a little bit more selective with the entries, man. It'd be like that. Let's see, Dixie Melton hoping to see gold pop to the upside. That's what I'm saying. Like, the dollar dropping and everything else dropping don't even make sense. Like, what is everybody putting their money into right now? If they're not putting their money into the dollar, if they're not putting their money into gold, if they're not putting their money into, I mean, indices are coming back a little bit. Don't be surprised indices come back. The NASDAQ did just give a 1 minute engulfing candle down here at the lows. I can afford another setup. I can afford another trade. Because I lost so little on that last one, I can afford it. Let me see. Nah, I'm not going to force. I need to see how these candles close. I need to see how this 5 minute closes. I want to see how this 5 minute closes here. This could continue to drop, family. So don't be like me. Right? Don't be me right now. This could continue to drop. But like I said, I personally still think we close bullish for the day. So that's why I'm still on my buy side. But we're going to be very, listen, we're going to be patient. We're going to be disciplined. And we're going to see what we get here. We're not going to force nothing either. I might not even take another trade. Probably not going to take another trade, but I'm definitely watching. Let's see. Sell Abel. Let it come up and sell. You think we should just wait for the sell, JJ? But how high do you want me to go, right? If I wait for the sell and this goes up, that's all money I'm missing. That's all money I'm missing. You said sell it right now? JJ, if you tell me to sell it right now, bro, you know what? I'm only throwing one contract though. I'm not risking much at all, JJ. I'm not even gonna lie. Listen, I got love for you, JJ. I ain't risking much though. You tripping? Hold on. Sell this by market. JJ said sell, so we sell. Let's go. Risking another $100 here. Let's see if JJ's onto some and I'm missing it. Let's see if JJ's onto some. It did give the 3-minute engulfing too. 3-minute engulfing. We're right at this support. This is the reason why I was also still considering the buy. We're right at the support too that we initially had highlighted. Yo, JJ, I'm just letting you know, JJ, if this don't work out, I gotta eat ramen for today. I gotta eat ramen for today if this don't work out. I'm gonna be on a ramen diet. I've been on a ramen diet since last week, man. I'm tired of eating ramen at this point. JJ over there shaking in his boots right now, like, oh shit. Like, damn, we're in drawdown. You shaking in your boots, JJ? I see people are liquidating their asses into their personal pockets and wallets. People need more cash more than anything right now. That's a fact, though, Lewis. People really are, like, if we're being honest, people really are broke. Like, the brokest we've ever been. Like, people are the brokest we've been in a while. I'm pretty sure I could find, like, the statistics for this, too. Hold on. Let me look at it over here. I want to be able to compare household savings versus debt. Let me see if I can find this. Let's see, how can I get this? Household personal data savings. Okay, here we go. Like, look at this. This is the personal savings rate for consumers, which is all of us here in the States. Like, look at this. We're at the lowest we've been since 2005. Like, this is personal savings account. Obviously, 2020, everybody was fake rich because of stimuluses and just asset inflation. Everybody was fake rich. But now look at everybody's savings account. Everybody's savings account is in the gutter right now. All right, so we're seeing a massive decline in personal savings account. But you know what we are seeing? We're seeing a massive increase in consumer spending. Let me get the consumer spending data real quick for y'all. Consumer spending. Right, so this is real data, right? This is coming from the St. Louis Fed, right? And this is coming from the BEA, which is what? The Bureau of Economic Analysis, right? Consumer spending has been on the up and up. Right, like, how does that make sense? I mean, it's been dropping a little bit, but like, we're still seeing increasing in consumer spending while personal savings accounts are dropping. So yeah, people are struggling right now, bro. I get it. I get it for sure. Like, personal consumption expenditures are flying. Look at this. Look at this right here. The delinquency rate on credit card loans are on the up and up. All right, we're starting to see this increase. It's not drastic just yet, thank God. But I believe this is going to continue to increase like crazy. The delinquency rate on credit card loans and all commercial banks. I believe this is only going to continue to increase here. It's been increasing since 2021. Since 2021, we've been on an increase. I've actually seen a stat too the other day that bankruptcies, Chapter 11 specifically, are up like 40% since the previous year. So yeah, right? People are spending money. People are spending money that they don't have. More times than not using credit cards to survive. And they don't have nothing for a safety buffer. So people are definitely struggling right now. Absolutely. Absolutely. People are struggling bad. And that sucks. Let's see. Just make a jailhouse spread. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make something. I'm gonna have to make something, right? Let's see. Thanks, Obama. He said move your stop loss to 18,819. 18. I mean, again, I'm looking at it from futures pricing, so I don't even know what is that from. 18. You said 18. Wait, we're talking about futures. Hold on. This ain't it, right? Come on, JJ. It's all good. We taking this. Listen, this how much this. What you want me to do, JJ? Tell me. Listen, I'm taking this trade based off you, bro. What you want me to do? You want me to leave my stop loss where it is? Close out the trade? Like, talk to me nice. How we feeling? Having kids don't make things any easier, but shout out to all the kids. Absolutely, bro. They really don't. Having kids definitely is just a tough time to have kids, bro. It really is. I full margined. He said I full margin. Hey, we're still surviving though. We're still surviving, Jay. Don't get nervous now, JJ. Look at him over there sweating. Why are you breaking your rules, bro? Why you sweating, JJ? Don't start sweating now. Listen, we taking it and we gonna rock with it. Let's see what we get here, fam. Let's see. No, this is hilarious, bro. We still might be able to work out a little bit. Look at this, JJ. We still good. You know, hopefully this creates a little lower high. And now we drive lower. You never know. Let's see what we get here. He said, I heard free account on you, so I pulled margin. Yeah. Oh, man. Let's see. I'm going to Abel's house for noodles with hot Cheetos and chicken. I'm pretty sure my kids would love that combination. I'm not even going to lie. For noodles with hot Cheetos and chicken. Let's see. I'm in the buy, so I hope you're eating ramen instead of Cane's. I'm going to have to eat ramen after this. Yeah, I'm out, JJ. I'm out, JJ. I'm out. It's all good. I'm gonna add it to. I'm gonna add that 100 to it. I'm gonna add that under right here. 2. Hey, I've been. It's crazy, man. It'd be like that. See, hey, JJ, don't say I ain't trust you though. That's all I'm gonna say. Don't say I ain't trust you, bro. I trusted you. You know what I'm saying? I trusted you. I took it. It ain't just one of them things that just ain't work out. But don't ever say, but don't trust me. That's all I'm saying. It was my. Nah, it was you the one that was panicking over there. You the one that started sweating. I was chilling. You started sweating your ass off over there. The markets felt your sweat. All right, yo, let's get serious so real quick. This very well could, family. If this does hold like this, 15-minute can close like this. Again, there's still opportunity for this to really go up. But for me, I'm done for today. And this is a very light day. I'm happy with only losing $200 for today. So I'm good with that. Especially when, again, I've already been a little out of tune, right? I haven't been in tune with the market for the last few trades. So everything going to be very small losses. But we're going to try to maximize the wins, right? You know, we were doing, obviously, targeting the 20 points and getting the hell out. Now that I'm lowering my risk, I'm still going to target 20 points, but I'm going to try to maximize the wins like crazy. Right? So we're going to minimize the losses, maximize the wins. That's the name of the game, and we're just going to see what happens and deal with it. Let's see. I got you on Bitcoin tomorrow. Absolutely, bro. It's all good. I got to survive off of ramen today. It's cool. It happens. It'd be like that. But yo, family, I am going to end it like that. It's about to be 11 o'clock. You guys know what I'm about to go do. I got to go prepare for this run. Unfortunately, I really have, I'm going to be honest, I have zero motivation to go for this run right now. So can y'all please hold me accountable right now and tell me to get your ass up and go, bro? Can y'all tell me to get my ass up and go, please? Because I know I need to. Let's see. Look at AN. Yeah, AN is dropping right now, bro. Now it's dropping nicely. We got the close below the range. Now it's starting to tank. Yeah, absolutely. This thing is moving nice now. Now it's moving nice. Hopefully it continues to drop, man. I don't think you got in it, though, Big Ed. But the setup was there, bro. The setup was there. The setup was there. Let's see. Bro, go run. Don't think about it, Abel. Count to 3 and take off. Lock in on that run. Come on now. Lock in. Come on. I need the motivation. I'm not even gonna lie, because I woke up super tired today. My legs still hurt. So if there was a day to take a day off, it would be today. But if y'all motivate me enough, I'm out there. I'm out there, and I'll show the proof. A little social media proof. So I might have to. No lacking. Do it for the future. Run for his run. All right, say less. I'm out there. All right, family. Listen, man, I love you guys. I appreciate y'all. Again, another great session today. Super small losses. I'm cool with that. I'm not too stressed about those setups. I'll take those losses all day of the week, especially off of good setups. You know what I'm saying? Like the setups that we took today weren't bad. You know what I'm saying? They just didn't work out. It'd be like that. It'd be like that, you know? But minimized our losses. Allows us to come back tomorrow and live another day. And that's the name of the game. But let me go ahead and jump on this run before I lose motivation, family. I appreciate y'all. I love you guys so much for being here with me and rocking with me and staying for damn near the entire time. All 60 plus of y'all. You guys are the superstars of the chat. And I hope you guys have a phenomenal day today, family. Go ahead and do something, man, and push yourself. Do something different today. Do something that you're scared to do, that you're hesitant to do. Let's all do something different today, family. Let's push ourselves to be great, man. All right, family. Love y'all. Appreciate y'all. I'll talk to you guys in the Discord if you're in the VIP. Or if I'll see you tomorrow. Let's get it.